Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a real quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in blockchain governance. Here's the article. Cardano founder hails ADA community as Cardano CIP-1694 workshops progress. The global CIP-1694 workshops are happening right now in Scotland. That's Cardano Improvement Proposal 1694, and it's allowing community members to come together to talk about how Cardano should move forward and how we should have decentralized governance. I was part of the team hosting community workshops in New York City, so it'll be super interesting to see what people will say on a global level. Everyone's going to come together, talk about what the community members said in their local workshops, and after this event, we're going to see how the community wants to move forward, how deposits and fees should work, and how the future of leadership should look with voting. So first, I want to go over a statement by Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano. Here's a tweet. Charles Hoskinson tweeted, "The first day of the CIP-1694 workshop in Edinburgh was a great success. We have a large, diverse group here from South America to Asia, and we are unpacking the 50+ workshops attended by more than 1,000 people. Today, we will be covering some of the more delicate topics like real-life identity with the dee-apps and incentives. Dee-apps are delegated representatives. If you want to learn more about them, I'll link the video up above." Charles also stated, "I really appreciate how the community stepped up and truly integrated into the CIP process. It bodes well for the future of Cardano and demonstrates we have the best community of any cryptocurrency ecosystem. Cardano is on its way to becoming even more decentralized. Never in the blockchain industry have we ever seen on-chain governance like this, so Cardano is well positioned to become a leader in this aspect." Cardano stake pool operator Rick McCracken stated, "Today's Cardano Voltaire workshop will be looking at stake weight voting thresholds for dee-apps, SPOs, and Constitutional Committee for proposal to pass, fail, or reject. We'll also be looking at deposits and or fees for on-chain proposals and how to get to minimal viable governance. The age of Voltaire is the very last era on the Cardano roadmap. It marks the age of governance, and once we get there, it means that Cardano will be in the hands of the community. No entity really has control of Cardano right now. It's decentralized, but this age of governance allows people to have more say on the blockchain, and it allows for more community participation. So I'll definitely keep you posted on what happens next for Cardano governance. This is the last day of the workshops in Edinburgh, so we'll probably get more updates from that. Let me know what you think though in the comments below. Are you happy with the direction that Cardano is going, or do you think there needs to be other fixes? That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends if you enjoy this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!